Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. If you'd like to finally face those pains or the issues that have been stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about you and me look to work together to help unlock the next big thing in your life? You can find Learn, Develop, Live across social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or LinkedIn. Drop me a message and let's start that chat. First, here's your quote for today. Don't give up on the person that you're becoming. Well, look at you. Look how far and how well you're doing right now. Flying high with this little journey of yours. I know you're going to have those tough times and those moments where you're going to be feeling a little bit overwhelmed and like it's a bit too much. That's completely normal for every single person out there. So take a minute to gather yourself, get yourself ready and go again. You're becoming something incredible and it is going to be one hell of a ride.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com and we'll see you tomorrow for more.